Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a friend on Telegram. And this is very simple because you can search your friend by tapping on the search bar and searching for a name like maybe Tommy. And then you will find a name like Tommy SF. And then you can tap on his account if you want that. But if you have the username of your friend, then make sure that you copied your username of your friend. Tap on the search bar, tap on paste, and then tap on his account, tap on his profile, and from here tap on add to context. Alright, now I will do done, and right now I added this name Tommy G in my contacts. And now if Tommy G will add me back, we are friends and we can chat together. I can also try now to send him a message but secretly, but if he added me back, we are friends and we can chat. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.